We partner with 4-H to run the 4-H Fair and Carnival. It's an enormous event. We had over 20,000 people here last year over the 4 days. So it's such a treat to get to throw a party and have that many of our friends come and join us. So you can come and see horse shows, you can see dog shows, there is delicious carnival food, there's rides, you can see all the 4-H exhibits and all the people who entered to see who grew the best squash or who baked the best pie.
It is something that I look forward to every year. The 4-H members work so hard on putting their projects together and show it off at this great event. So our opening ceremony is kind of our kickoff event for the fair. One of the big things that we do is we crown our fair court, and this year our king is Mr. Lucas Canby and our queen is Miss Esther Wisdom. Then we also had some dignitaries join us, and we'd like to thank Chairman Sharon Bulova, as well as Supervisor John Faust and Supervisor Kathy Hudgens for joining us on stage today. Our horse shows are going all day today, as well as the dog show. Then at noon we have our rabbit show, the rabbit and guinea pigs show, the cavies. And then we also have our livestock show, so our swine show, cattle, sheep, so on and so forth. It's neat to watch.
This is so much fun. I can hardly stand it. There's so much going on. To have the opportunity to be around animals and young people who are raising animals and showing them, and it's clear that these young people have really invested time, energy, love, and understanding.
I do this 4-H for rabbits and guinea pigs, and I came to enter my pig in for the fair, and I present her. She got second place. Well, I've studied for 3 years, and this is the first time.
Well, we just got here a little while ago. We live in Annandale, and we wanted to come and just see the animals and see the fair events and food and all that good stuff.
This is our first time here. He's turning 3 almost, so we thought I think this would be a good time to come here. He was pretty young last year, so taking him around and he would be tired. Now he's more excited to see all these things.
Well, it's not just the 4-Hers. Anyone can enter these competitions, so keep that in mind for next year. I actually entered some of my flowers from my house and herbs that I grew. There are 18 departments to choose from, everything from beekeeping to art to black and white photography, color photography. There's something for everybody. If you have a hobby or something that you think is fun that you would like to share with the community, you can come and do it here. Even if you have like a dance club, that's what is going to be our entertainment this weekend. We didn't pay any entertainers. All the fun and music is all from the community.